Good morning, it's another perfect day in London. I'm just lying here waiting to meet my friend before going shopping and then watching the football. So this is my friend Ruth and we are out celebrating because she just got her first fiction book deal. So tell us about the book, what are you going to be writing about?
Well, I've actually been told that I'm not even allowed to speak about it. I'm allowed to say that I've got a book deal and it's romance. I'm hoping for it to be turned into a Hollywood film and for Stephanie and I to move to Hollywood.
Yes, I think that would be very nice, but you know, at Lalande half the time, Hollywood half the time.
Let's split our time, yeah, depending on the seasons.
It's so exciting, congratulations.
Thank you.
We will spend the rest of the day celebrating. And this is what we're going to go and see. The preen sample sale. I'm still desperately trying to find the perfect dress for the ball at Basmaignee at the end of July. I found it! And another dress to wear tonight. No day of celebrations is complete without chocolate. How are we going to eat it? The whole city is going completely wild and I'm going to go out to celebrate with them. It's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's That was great fun, but now a complete change of pace. I'm out for the most amazing meal at 34 Mayfair with friends. But weirdly, my squid appears to be shuddering.
He owns brick factories.
Oh, my squid is wobbling.
Oh, it's from me.
It's really funny. Another day, another obsession with Luz. I really like the perfumes in this one. This is one of my new dresses, but I'm keeping the other one secret till the party.
I could just about reach. We're heading now into Chateau Diaries. We should be arriving at about 7 p.m. this evening. And being straight into France, we're going straight to McDonald's.
Oh, now who else might be on this plane? Aha!
It's
Ruthie!
Woofy!
And Mr. Potts.
Hello.
Mr. Potts has sorted out what he'll be doing during the entire flight. Here we go, we're all heading home to Lalande. We're all going on a summer holiday. No more worries for a week or two. We're going and laughter on a summer holiday.
We'll have a dream come true for me and you.
And whilst Gerry and I are spending the time being silly, Ruthie's still hard at work on her novel. And there it is, our perfect car waiting for us faithfully.
Our Bentley, our Rolls Royce of the French persuasion.
I'm so surprised no one tried to steal this while you're away.
No, I know, I mean, I think it's the most wanted car in France, really.
It's because it's got the most up-to-date alarm. It's got high-tech alarm.
Do you think it's
I love the fact that the boot won't stay open, so we have to travel with a bit of wood to prop it up, true DIY styling.
How far away is McDonald's?
About 10 minutes, Gerald. Can you wait, do you think? 10 minutes?
I think it's more likely, can we get there?
We're just exploring.
Oh my god, they've done a press
Can you not go any faster?
We're desperately racing back to the chateau to watch France in the semi-finals.
Minutes. Belgium have gone off the boil a bit. France are enjoying a very good spell here.
But they haven't scored!
And now we're into the last 5 minutes of the first half in this tantalising semi-final of the World Cup. The story of today was in Armenia, where Celtic hammered Tashkent 3-0. Hail, hail Celtic! France and Croatia in the final.
No! France and England! Ireland!
No, no, darling.
Even the Lalande sky is celebrating.